away. Makikita rin kasi yung individual journey ng kada character. That's I think what makes it really interesting. Hindi lang siya action na bagilan ng ano. It's 7 different characters and different phases in their journey. Tapos nagtatagpo-tagpo sila. So minsan maganda yung minsan swak yung dynamics. May mga minsan may tension between characters. So it's really interesting.
So may depth din yung characters nila. But ako, I also want to ask, kasi fan talaga ako ni Ian Veneracion. We know that you fly also, di ba? You're a pilot. So magagamit niyo ba yun dito?
Lahat ng skills namin, lahat siguro, nagagamit namin dito.
Ooh, exciting.
Very excited. Sa trailer pa lang, di ba? Mate, that's a good teaser pa lang.
Din siya dito.
Alright, next we'll have Richard.
Yes, only to see Jose Bonifacio, discharged ex-Navy SEAL, very competitive, very competent, mission-based yung objective lagi ni JB dito. Isa sa mga main objectives niya ay makabalik sa military. And I also come from a family of military men. So, ayun, exciting. Action character.
And now let's have Daniel Padilla.
Andres Malvar, Dugong Igorot, Makatao, at Discharged Scout Ranger. Yun ang muna.
Short but sweet, oo. Pero tama ngayon, baka talagang we're left wanting for more, di ba? Sa January na po yan, mga kapamilya. At ngayon, ito na, itatanong na rin natin yung mga iba pang mga questions from our dear friends from the media. Okay, so we've learned kung paano sila nag-prepare for their roles, ano ba yung roles nila. Ngayon naman, medyo napahapyawan nyo na to kanina. What was your go-to workout when preparing for the role? This is coming from Joe M. Matrazo of Davao Digital Creators. At yung kanina nating question, that's from Alan Sancon of Stars Photo. Okay, so dito po tayo. Go-to workout.
Wala nang ganun. Diretso na titig. Doon na yung workout.
Actually.
Cardio na rin eh. Pero yun siguro, mas more cardio. Kasi takbo ka ng takbo eh. Sa eksena. So,
Cardio.
para sa akin. So, ewan ko sa kanila.
Sa akin, basketball. Kasi it's physically demanding and yun nga, endurance. Kailangan mag-build ng endurance. Kasi sobrang hirap ng mga action scenes na ginagawa namin.
Bilang bunso, kailangan talaga. Oh, yes. Who else would like to share yung mga go-to workout nila for this project? Yes,
I
Kai?
think along with the endurance training, because we also underwent a lot of endurance training with Sir Benj, Sir Patch, and Action 360. We also, I personally also did a lot of strength training kasi for a lot of the scenes that we shoot, normally naka-gear kami. So it really, naka-gear kami, yung mabibigat yung mga barel. So I wanted to also put focus on that for lengths of time we're able to hold up. So, yeah.
That's true kasi mabigat talaga yung mga dinadala nyo, especially the military, right?
Nakita niyo namin sa trailer, ikaw din eruption, may binalik ka
Maganda
na.
yan, maganda yan. Isang kamay lang yun.
Grabe
Nah.
yun.
No, but it's true. Compound liftings, a lot of that will be perfect for the role. Galing, galing. Anyone else want to answer that one? Specific workouts?
Aside from like martial arts and tactical training, which actually kailangan talaga namin yun for the characters. I think a lot of cardio, strength training, but during our off days, more than anything we play basketball. Kasi it also builds camaraderie within the group, aside from the staff and the crew, you know, lahat kami nagba-basketball. So it builds a different rapport for the whole group, aside from just individual conditioning.
Miss Des, bakit hindi po natin i-livestream yun? Nagba-basketball po pala sila. Ang gagwapo naman ng mga nagba-basketball.
Diba?
Oo. Bakit gusto ko panoorin yun?
Mga footage yan, snippets lang.
Oo. As a fan,
Diba?
gusto ko panoorin. Ay, meron po. Pag day off. Oo. So, hindi part ng work. Oo. Now, speaking of basketball, Daniel Padilla, naka 7 3-points sa Star Magic All-Star Game. So, also, nagba-basketball ka na ba? What's your go-to workout, DJ?
Yeah, ako, I played a lot of golf para
Parang grabe yung build-up ko sa basketball
Hindi.
Oo.
Ay, hindi alam
Mental
yung tao.
focus. And then, ganun din, yeah, Muay Thai and basketball. Yeah.
Muay
That's
Thai
it.
basketball. Okay, thank you. May gusto pa po bang mag-add? Maris, parang may gusto kang i-add?
Aside from muscle building, I needed to gain more para maka-keep up sa mga gagawin.
Oh, sarap naman ng ganung problem. Kailangan mo mag-gain. Oh.
So kumain lang ako.
Ay, ang saya.
Order lang ako ng order sa mga lock-in namin.
O, diba? Ang tanong ko, go to workout, hihiritan tayo ng kumain po ako.
Part ng training yan eh.
Protein,
Protein, yeah.
Pero din ako nag-extra effort. So yun yung
Sana all, sana all. Yes, but you look terrific. Kita naman namin yung pinaghirapan mo, Maris.
Thank you.
Okay, now, let's go to our next question. Ito po, I think, tanong ng lahat. And this is for Dirk Nestor and Miss Des. After seeing that trailer,